case here. I'm super excited. I got the Lian Li tu150 mini ITX case. I'm very excited about this. Here we go. I went to my friend's computer shop where he sells a bunch of computer stuff for the big name brands like AMD and Intel, NVIDIA and stuff like that for their new builds. So I saw he had someone working there helping him and today, and he was like, "Oh, look at this new case he got, Miles," and I was like, "Ah, gotta get it." This one is awesome. I ordered the one without the window because I didn't want the window because I put it in the cabinet underneath my entertainment inside a cabinet anyway, so we wouldn't be able to see it. And I do take it places, so I don't want it to show off. I mean, showing off doesn't matter. I just want it to be able to not worry about the glass breaking. So that's why I didn't want the glass one. The box right here shows a picture of the glass one, but so far it is not a glass one, so I'm excited. I'm happy. I guess they just put the same picture as the glass one, so you can get it with the glass front panel on one side and then regular on the back. Let's see here. Oh, yes. Oh, and I got the black version. They do come in silver too. Oh, yes. And the coolest thing that really caught my eye is the handle on here. Comes up like, and you can pick it up and take it. And I was like, oh, when I take it places, that's exactly what I wanted. And it comes just like that, magnetized too. It's really awesome. Oh gosh, I love it. On button, USB Type-C connector in the front, USB 3, Type A, microphone and headphone, and then reset switch. It's really nice. Got the back right here, got the power. We get the I/O shield port. We got a 120mm fan will fit here. We got 3 PCI slot covers we can put in, so you can do your, extended graphics cards and stuff like that, the bigger ones. The side panel should just pull right off, just like this, and yep. Little pack just to push in there. We got our manual with all the parts and the extra parts we have. This is what it looks like inside. Pretty cool. This part, the front comes right off, just like that. You can put another 120mm fan in the front here. It has a dust filter. Comes off just like this. Really nice. And this just plugs right in there. And that's locked in again, so your front intake fan will be dust filtered. The bottom doesn't have dust filters, but I have some magnetic ones that I'll put in the bottom there. That'll be just good for it. The cool thing about this is too, so that there's cords you can hide up in the front here. This comes right off, and you can route cables and everything up there. So the power supply goes in right here and can go up through here, all the cables and around. And there's little slots here on the parts for the board, so it can get to your board and all your peripherals and everything. It's really cool. Then, on the back, pull this off. It's all toolless, so that's pretty dang cool. On this side, has some good management right here too. You can put a 120, a 2.5mm hard drive right here, or SSD. You can put a 3.5 or another 2.5 drive on top. It's really cool, and that's why I really wanted this case. The cool part is the radiator. You put a 120mm radiator right here or right here. Some say the power supply will get in the way, but I've seen builds online where that's not the case. It just depends on how you do everything, what radiator you're using there, what brand. On the bottom can fit 2 more 120mm. I love that, and that was a big improvement because I see some other cases that are small that neglect to have the 120 fans at the bottom, and I want my GPU to be cool. So, but yep, I'm very excited about this case. I'm going to be doing a video on it of me putting everything inside and building it up, transferring from my other case. That was just, it wasn't like it was a bad case. I just want my parts to be cool, and the cooler they are, the longer they last. And the longer I can game, and it's just in my head, it feels better to me. And this case looks awesome. I'm just super excited about this handle. It is just awesome. So, Alright guys, we'll see you at the next video. If you like, comment, subscribe, leave in the comments. Alright, bye.